Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll try to make you understand how can you easily solve the IELTS reading passage. Let's get started. Question from 1 to 4 is about complete the note below. It's a note completion. At first, we mark the keyword from the question. Then we'll go to passage and find out keyword from the passage and our answer. The leaves of trees are dash in shape. That means shape of leaves. The dash of surrounding fruit and break open when the fruit something dash is surrounded by it is used to produce the spicy nutmeg. The covering known as the aerial of used to produce something. Aerial used to produce something. What? The nutmeg tree is scientific name Myristica fragrans. So we need not to read the whole passage. We just find out our keyword. Okay. So we found out leaves, fruits, something. Northwest Indonesia, trees, dense foliage, dark oval leaves. I find leaves produce small yellow bell-shaped flower or yellow pear-shaped fruits. The fleshy husk. So we find when the fruit the husk is split into two halves and running the length of the fruits. Tree is tricky, balanced with dense foliage, dark green. Here it says dark green oval leaves. So this is their shape. As it says, the shape of bell-shaped flower, yellow-shaped fruits. That's fruit shape, and it's a dark green oval shaped leaves. So here is the oval is our answer. No one. Answer number 1 is oval. Oval. Okay, we find here oval. Next, the dash is around the fruit bricks. As we find here, oval. The dash is surrounded fruit brick. Open the fruits. The dash is surrounded the fruit and break open when the fruit is ripe. When the fruit is ripe, the husk split into two halves along the right, running the length of the fruit. So here says what divided? These husks split into. So husks have along right. Husks caged into the husks. The husks is the answer of 2. It is the answer of 1. It's the answer of 2. Husks. Husks is the answer of 2. Here we find here. Next answer. Next question. The dash is used to produce the spicy nutmeg. So nutmeg used for why? Inside the purple brown shiny seed, 2-3 centimeter long by about 2 centimeter across, surrounded by the lacy red or crimson covering called the aerial. These are source of the two spicy nutmeg and meg. The forming big produced from the dry seed and later from the aerial. So dry seed is used for this spicy nutmeg. Dry seed, had it said shiny seed, spicy nutmeg. What is the source of spicy nutmeg being produced for dry seed? Had the seed is answer of 3. Answer would be seed. Question number 4 says the covering known as the aerial is used to produce something. Aerial is used to produce something. What? As the passage says, the surrounded by lacy red crimson covering called the aerial, there are sources of the two spicy nutmeg and mace. The former being produced for the dry seed and later the aerial. So maize is the answer of 4 non-questions.